What's up, everyone? It is Jason Jani, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you a hookup, a plug, tool that I think a lot of DJs can benefit from. And it's a tool that we started using during the pandemic at the SCE Event Group, and we are still using it religiously, daily here still. And I don't know if we're fully through the pandemic or where we are in terms of the state of the world and the pandemic. But this tool is a tool that I think a lot of people in the private event industry could benefit from, especially if you are newer to the business, especially if you are looking to grow your brand, and especially if you are having difficulty onboarding support staff to help you with the administrative part of your overall world. At SCE Event Group, we have 13 different hosts that represent the SCE Event Group flag at private events, and that's 13 different sets of circumstances of how they live their lives, 13 different calendars to manage. So you might be asking yourselves, how do we do it? Well, we don't do it all one-on-one. Actually, we allow our team to have full control over their own individual calendars in terms of when they can meet and how they can meet with people that are interested in their services. So if one of our team members lives an hour or two, like some do, from our office, and they're not interested in meeting with people in person, they can conduct their business completely remote using platforms like Zoom and FaceTime or even phone calls. Now, that might be unorthodox to some, especially after the pandemic kind of has opened up the doors and allowed people to more or less function as normal or whatever that may be. I think this tool still is a big thing because it allows people to sync their own personal calendar with this platform. This platform can be synced with our DJ system of record. In our case at SCE, it's the DJ Event Planner, using a couple of different other tools. And it really allows our team to control their own destiny. It also relieves a lot of stress on our office team because in the past, pre-pandemic, if someone needed to make an appointment, they would reach out to our office or communicate via email. Our office staff would then reach out to our team member, confirm times, confirm that they were available, confirm all the things that they were going to be in the office or however it was going to go down, and then would report back to the people interested in meeting with one of our team members. And this could be for a new consultation, it could be for a creativity session, it could be in a finals appointment where we review all the details for the event, or any other quick check-in meetings that we do at SCE with the people that trust us with their events. So let me get down to it. And this right here is not a paid affiliate link. And if you enjoy this content and you feel that this content is helpful for you, I would ask for your favor in smashing the thumbs up button down below, and even leave some love in the comments, because that allows the YouTube algorithm to help put this video in front of other people just like you that could benefit from it. And this channel is all about that. There's tons of tips, tricks, and things that I've learned over my career being a DJ and crushing events in the Northeast and all over this world, trying to inspire people to dream bigger, to expect more, and to have a celebration that they're proud of. And if you feel that, again, a subscription, some love on the videos, or even a comment goes a long way, because it just helps the video get in front of more people. Anyway, let me get to it. The platform that I'm talking about is Calendly. Calendly is a beast of a platform. It allows you as an individual or you as a team with multiple different sets of circumstances, if you have multiple individuals managing their own calendars, to set up different types of appointments. You control the format, you control the way that people will meet, you control the framework and the foundation as to the duration of meetings, when the schedules will allow them to set up time, them being the people, the clients, the customers, the people that are looking to get time on your calendar with you. And this platform not only follows up with your clients or the people that you'll be meeting with via text, email, or details about the overall event, but it actually will sync to your iCal or your Google Cal, and it can also be imported to your DJ Event Planner software or the CRM that you're using of choice. It integrates with Salesforce. It integrates with so many. And I know that there's a lot of different universes of people that use Calendly as a platform, but I'm sitting here getting ready for my event, and I just thought I'd rip this video because Calendly has saved me and this team at SCE Event Group thousands, I mean thousands and thousands of dollars since the pandemic has really impacted this business in a traumatic way. This platform has saved us resources where maybe we can better use and efficiently use our team that is in the administrative part or the office part of SCE to focus on dealing with different other issues rather than connecting emails and people and arranging time slots on a calendar. I know it might seem impersonal or not very personal to some, but this platform is so boss. You can even take deposits through this platform and link it to your universe of accounting and whatnot. I mean, it is really, really dope. This platform has been a godsend for me, and that's why I'm recording this unsolicited, no affiliate link video, because I feel like this is a tool that so many people can benefit from. Because one of the most common questions I get from people that are trying to grow their business is, how do you have the time? How do you manage all of the things? How do you afford to have staff when you're just getting started? Well, you don't need to do all of that stuff yourself. You just need to put your mind behind kind of the processes that you need to put in place, and you need to find great resources like Calendly to help you take your business to the next level. I can tell you that I allow my Calendly appointments to get booked 6 weeks in advance, and I designate the time frames that I'm willing to meet with the people that are interested in working with me or meeting with me for their existing events, and I have full control. I think that this platform is amazing. And again, I would highly recommend it to anyone and everyone that is looking to take their business to the next level. I'm going to include link in the description field down below for anyone that is interested in getting information on it. And this is a non-affiliate link. Like, I'm not getting pennies for every sign up or every person that hits the link. I'm just sharing with you because I think that this resource is a valuable resource that can help so many. Calendly is very, very, very important. And Calendly is what we use when we send out a reply to someone that maybe hits us on our website or that reaches out to us on Instagram. We onboard them through our event planner contact us form, and the immediate reply to the people that are reaching out to us has a link to set up a meeting that they can set up on their own terms, when they can check their own calendar and they can then get back to you. It eliminates so much back and forth between your staff, emails, phone calls, text messages. It puts the power in the hands of the people that are interested in meeting with you. They can check their calendar. They can pick a time frame that works for them on their terms. Meaning, if they don't want to drive an hour to come meet with you at your office, because that was a thing pre-pandemic, they can actually set time up to FaceTime with you or to Zoom with you, and it will actually publish a Zoom meeting if you're a customer of Zoom, or meetings as well through some of the other platforms. And it'll actually send them the details for that meeting. And I just think this platform is amazing. After the meeting is completed, it'll follow up with them. It'll thank them for their time. It does so much in terms of automation. And I'm only scratching the surface in terms of what this Calendly system can actually do. We don't use all of the tools. We just use the tools that affect and really impact the way that we operate here at SCE. And again, it has saved me thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. And I am incredibly, incredibly, incredibly thankful for this platform. So if you're not someone that currently uses an automation based scheduling system like Calendly and you're looking to grow your business, I highly recommend it. I'm going to put some links in the description down below. And if you feel this content, you have any questions on how we're using Calendly or the system itself, I'd be honored to answer them. Just throw them in the comments field down below. Now, I have another video that I want you to check out about how we've been able to amass well over 3,000 reviews from past clients. I'm going to stick it right over here. Just tap that video and you'll actually get the inside scoop as to how we've earned so many reviews from so many different couples that we've had the honor of working with at SCE Event Group. The video is right here. Be on the lookout for checking out more videos right here on this channel in the days, weeks, and months ahead. And if you're not supporting my channel with some sub love, smash that sub love button. And thank you so much for watching.